What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
Man, I brought it to Apple. You know how they work. They're telling me they can't fix that phone. And the only thing that's wrong with it is just the glass. They're telling me I would need to replace the whole device. So I figure I was here once. Why not come back?
Don't worry. I got you.
Thank you. Hi. You're famous.
Your phone is ready, sir. Now it's good to go.
This is not the phone I just gave you. Wow. And all my stuff is still on here too?
Still on there?
Yes. Oh my God. Thank you so much, man.
You're welcome.
This is why I always come to the best.
Thank you.